UMLA ka Kharkuta Rupert Moment ulawanra da ka 0 hour notice hayeng Dorbar thawaan Khuborjylla halor ka jingja jang ka wei ka hebret na apa Raja Samla ka bahab Kharkuta police station kaban Haduh Mynta 4 labdin satya halor kani usembut menteri rangba bapet yakatnat kampo Ïing ba prestun tensong ulah pentip baki pulit kila shimkhia bha yakani ka benta bat lasdang ya kajingwat keleng nadu baki yo ya kajing pentip nagi bah Ïing haka khatphra tarik naitung.
Let me inform the House that there is a 0 hour notice tabled by Sri Rupert Moment MLA under Rule 49 of the Rules of Procedure and Conduct of Business to the news item published in Hub News dated 22nd July 2025 under the caption Gamaingapa Michek Bisako Manpul Kujainga Missing Girl Not Yet Found. Sri Rupert Moment MLA, please kindly be brief in your speech.
Thank you, Mr. Speaker, sir, for admitting to table the 0 hour notice on the rules 49A of the Rules of Procedure and Conduct of the Business of the Meghalaya Legislative Assembly. The news published on 22nd July 2025, Hub News, under the caption Gamaingapa Michik Bisako Manpul Kujainga, that is to say, missing girl not yet found. Sir, Raja Samla is a village under Kharkuta CNRD block, North Garo Hills district in Meghalaya. The geographical location of this area is, one side is border of Assam and other side is a quasi hill tracts. The Raja Samla village is very, very important because the American Baptist Mission started its mission on 1867, July 14. The architect of this mission was Dr. Miles Bronson. So on 18th of July 2025, a little girl, her name is Donkame Sangma, daughter of Dengsan Khynnahrit, age about 6 years old. She went out to play with her friends to nearby place. That is, according to their statement, 1 p.m. And when the parents came back at around 3 p.m., she was not there at home. So relatives, neighbors, they start searching, but she was not there in that particular area. So they filed FIR missing a report to the Kharkuta police station, that is about 7 kilometers away from the village. After that, police, public, rescue team, dog squad, and the drone team, all of them, they search. As a local representative, I monitor for a week, but the little girl could not find anywhere. Sir, this incident is very peculiar in nature. This is the first time in the area that missing girl or anybody is not found whether life or death. So my submission that the state government, my government, should tighten the intelligence branch, because this may be happen in Raja Samla, North Garo Hills. It may happen anywhere in the state and bring chaos to the society. With this submission, I resume my seat.
Minister in charge to reply, please.
Mr. Speaker, sir, at the outset, I extend my sincere appreciation to the Honourable Member from Kharkutta constituency, Shri Rupert Momin, for bringing into the attention of this August House the grave and sensitive matter concerning the disappearance of a minor girl from Upper Raja Simla village and the Kharkutta police station in North Garo Hills district. Sir, first and foremost, I want to assure this esteemed House and the public that the government is treating this case with the utmost seriousness. From the moment the missing person report was filed, police along with multi-other agencies and the community have been working tirelessly to find the child and uncover the circumstances of her disappearance. On 18 July 2025, approximately at 9:30 p.m., the father of the missing child, Shri Ding San Armanak, filed a missing report at Kharkutta police station stating that his 6-year-old daughter was missing from their home in Upper Raja Simla since around 1:30 p.m. that day. The family had left her at home with her older siblings while they went for a day of MGNREGA work nearby. A search was immediately initiated by the family and villagers, but when she could not be found, the police were informed. Sir, upon receiving the report, the police acted swiftly. An alert was sent via wireless message to all police stations, outposts, beat houses in Assam and Meghalaya, including a photo of the child. The case was formally registered at the Women Police Station, North Garo Hills, via Mendipatha Women Police Case number 19/2025 under section 137 subclause 2/140(3) sub 3 and 4 BNS. The child's details were also entered into the CCTNS missing child portal, but Salaya as per standard operating procedure. Sir, an intensive search operation was launched immediately. The IO, along with other police personnel, visited the village, interviewed family members, and gathered information from neighbors. A neighbor's child stated that they last saw the missing child playing near a church compound. The search expanded to cover of every probable location, including streams, wells, caves, and nearby forests. Local villagers, along with various non-governmental organizations, joined the police in large numbers, demonstrating an inspiring level of community solidarity. Sir, the search operation was further bolstered by the arrival of the Special Force SF-10, the Search and Rescue Team, the Fire and Emergency Services, and a K9 unit with a trained dog. Drones were also deployed to scan the difficult terrain. The search parties were organized into multiple groups, each led by a police officer or village leader familiar with the area. Despite these comprehensive efforts, no trace of the missing girl was found. Sir, as part of the investigation, several leads have been pursued, including the possibility of outside involvement. The police have also coordinated with Assam Police to verify related inputs, including inquiries with scrap dealers and other potential suspects. One individual has been arrested in connection with this case, while some individuals were examined. No conclusive evidence has yet emerged. Sir, despite the exhaustive multi-agency and interstate coordination, no trace of the missing child has been found as of date, and the case remains under active investigation. The police are leaving no stone unturned to gather evidences, pursue leads, and bring resolution to this distressing matter. Sir, with these few words, I once again thank the honourable member from Kharkutta constituency for his concern and for tabling this 0-hour notice. The matter continues to be accorded highest priority, and every possible effort is being made to bring the child back to her family and ensure justice is served.